Add some rice, ginger green chili. Grind it well. Add chopped onions. Add curry leaves. Add coriander leaves. Add some turmeric powder and red chili powder. Add some asafoetida powder. Add some cumin seeds. Add some potato. Mix it well. You can make your desired shape with the mixed potato. After you're done making shapes, fry it in the frying pan. Add the oil and mix it to the sides. Put your potato inside it. Cook 2 sides. When the potato is golden color, you can take the potato and put it on the other plate. Use spoon or fork. If you like the video, please like and share. And comment if you enjoy it. When the snack is in golden color, you can change it to another plate. Evening can be enjoyable to make snacks that the kids will love. Thank you for watching the video. Stay safe and happy until I upload my next video. Have a good day.